Hey there, hey! Welcome back to Dan Delicious. Today, we'll be making a plate on a childhood favorite, Fudgesicles. This summer sweet won't throw your macros away and will keep you cool on a hot summer day. After a long workout on a hot day, would you rather eat this or these? This is not a sponsored post, but after being a protein shake drinker since high school and now a vegan for 6 years, I've tried my fair share of shakes. OWYN has proved to be the tastiest and best price per gram plant-based protein shake with protein powder. Let's not waste any more time and let's get blending.
Grab your smoothie blender and add 1 OWYN Elite chocolate protein drink, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons tahini. Using this is a chef trick so your popsicles stay fudgy. 2 teaspoons pink Himalayan salt and a banana. Blend it up and pop it in the freezer. Here's a popsicle making hack. Don't use plastic popsicle molds because they are a pain in the rear to get out. Silicone molds are your popsicle making friend. Wow, that's damn delicious. Honest feedback is always welcome, and I'd love to know what you think when you try this recipe. Next week is the final episode for this OWYN Elite Recipe Series, a no-churn ube coconut cream ice cream, which you won't believe how we freeze this. A small hint, every bodybuilder or gym rat has these in their cupboards. As always, live healthy and build natty.